product from Punja's Biscuits.
And welcome to Outs Palang Show. We say good morning to all our friends tuning in this morning. We say Bulubanaka to all the friends tuning in from all the
overseas
corals here in Fiji.
Okay.
And sana po turang atiri ka no the Vanua to all the friends tuning in from the hospital coming to work and the transport doing the sama cuma kina.
Of course.
Ni Andra ni mata benda dem sana benda kamika.
Iya, Andra binaka to YouTube. For being toothpaste ko rin sama-sama.
Yeah.
For being here this morning.
Yeah.
It's Monday. It's a 5th of May.
Of course.
The time is running faster than what we think.
Right.
Today. But we are thankful enough to be part of this day.
Right.
And we can breathe. We can still hear people are talking. We can
Right.
feel something. Some of us, they're unfortunate.
Yeah.
They are not reached this day as we go on.
Don't bumenak.
Good morning to Jayda Timbiu. Mula na kapasu na wala besar na siya mana matangani ko taxi driver.
Yeah.
This fella, the taxi driver. Good morning to you and all your taxi base.
Yeah.
And also wanna say good morning to Mbameli.
Yeah.
Black Arrow Taxi. Wanna ni nakatiyan na mga ni leader matangani ko. He said
Yeah.
on a Friday when in the morning when they woke up,
Yeah.
all the gang from Nailangamba, all of them ba.
Yeah.
They started drinking grog and they listening to us in the Outs Palang show.
On Friday?
On Friday.
Last week?
Last week.
Oh, okay.
And he said, I want to call you guys, but I don't have the number.
Yeah.
And those gang from Ba said, call them to come.
Sombo.
And he said, no, I don't want to call them. Otherwise, I'm going to call them. They go to the market and eat and come.
Awara tu be sa use de kubu be gas us
Yeah.
mai New Zealand man bolta tunga be mbumba batike mbusaki.
Jay
Yeah.
the team view there.
Oh, Jay the team biu go yesterday.
Yeah.
Before we go for yesterday, good morning to Malkaya my baba to be sa
Ano na tayo?
Rungi Balu.
Right.
Oh, Bis, the
Yeah.
man of the match from the stadium.
Pulau naga matagali
Yeah.
gor naga si menggaring gori.
Ada benak.
What happened to Jay the team view?
Jay the team biu yesterday we went for to the any style.
Iya.
Oi!
Any style by yesterday then giving to Turang Tobata.
Right.
For being coming yesterday we drink grog at home.
Iya.
Oh!
Afternoon.
Right.
Then he was calling the medley or what we call
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah, he called me yesterday.
Yeah.
And I told him, Jay the team view, today is my Sunday.
Right, Julum.
Yeah. I told him, today is my Sunday.
Yeah.
I respect the Sunday.
I rest in peace.
I don't go. I don't go elsewhere,
Yeah.
Oi.
and I don't visit people who are who are thinking of nothing.
Okay.
And he said, "Okay, I'm going there. Okay, you go.
Yeah.
You and him, you do the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll come to you and pray for you tomorrow."
Okay. Paula Nadakalo is joining too from France.
Okay,
To all the
right,
boys
right,
of Fiji boys who have been playing in France.
Right.
Thank you very much for being there.
Right.
And thank you. Yesterday
What?
we was there at home together.
Yeah.
Any style. I was like this to Tobata.
Yeah.
This is any style.
Okay.
You just do whatever you do. If you want to cup full,
Yeah.
you full cup. If you
Right.
want to small cup, you small cup. If you want to
Miss.
stress, miss.
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do.
Iya.
This is any style.
style.
Anyhow,
One
you do
on.
anyhow what
Hey,
you
if you're
do.
gonna do anything, you won't be angry.
Who's?
Yo, Tabata.
Tobata is there.
Oh, okay.
And he was missing you. And after that, I saw the messenger. You
One
pop-
day was she said, "Fala say one day was."
Who's?
Oh, Jay.
Oh.
Ratu taon dongan kere-kere kaya usama ni ngole.
Yeah.
Chiko ikan tabuli ko na
Bote-bote
itataro bini alo bela-bela.
Pun gila.
Na gigila.
Right.
Please eat all the leaves.
He's not the leaves. Yalla, bautlaw yaw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to. You don't know, Wasu. You
Yeah.
will feel it.
Don't feel.
Today.
Don't feel. Just see.
Yeah. Today you will feel something, maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
Don't.
You don't know. Because this one,
Iya.
we have been preaching this, myself and Atu. You
Yeah.
have to be careful
Iya.
when you go to Lolombo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People have been there.
Yeah.
And then pass away.
Huwa. Wala talo ndo na mata masumbula. Tuleki mangone rau Josephine di nono. Saro baro pasien ngori. Awate dambe wanga and also to everybody, to the children
Yeah.
who will be celebrating their Aku sadar pa na pitalon ni mo. To everybody joining this morning, to all the students who were celebrating their 2 weeks break, starting from today.
Para na vore dura kibere ngone all the best. Please take care. Kiba ka no mani ngole sili.
Right.
Maybe swimming beside the river in the
Yeah.
villages
Yeah.
where you spend your school break.
Right.
Please be careful. Please notify your peers
Betul.
that you are going to Nalangongoli Sicily.
Right.
Sengole ng Dona Bono. Okay. How about a short story this morning about the tapioca?
This is a story about a fella.
Iyo.
A fella who is to be laziness.
Iyo.
And totally takatoko ng bulan ni Budesa.
Right.
So
He's telling what?
Yeah. He is like NPP.
Iya.
No proper program.
Okay.
Right.
Just round tumboto.
Iya.
Right.
So the fella was there at the village. So one fella was passed away.
Iya.
And
Oi.
the village headman was asking the villagers,
Iya.
Funeral.
if you please, can you, man, you know your job?
Yeah.
You bring a bundle of ndalos
Yeah.
or cassava sek, you come.
Iya. Mombole mai.
Mambole mai.
Right.
Then about, okay, who? From the start, nobody raised up their hand.
Nobody
Yeah.
mole.
And this fella, the NPP one,
Iya.
lift his hand up.
Oi.
Rest. So...
And leg.
Huh?
Iya.
And leg na pasingan. So he raised, okay, I 2 sek. 50 kg.
Tusek.
Iyo. Rong boleh meron ng kutang tapioca.
Right, right.
Kung ako tuwabog tunokor.
Iyo. Kung ang dawa ko singa to ndo talita ko nang buli sa.
Iya.
So he raised up kisyan.
Ben Valentine, good morning, Ben.
Tutang tapioca. So after that, early in the morning 5 a.m. the fella leave the village.
Iya.
Where?
2 sek, 1 knife. Jaw.
2 knife.
2 knife na musu-musu. So he went there to the farm.
Yeah.
The farm is not his.
Oi.
It's someone else's farm.
Right.
So the fella, kailangan ni Rangase, sa Rangase orang tahu kini Titi.
Yeah.
They leave the villages like early in the morning. So when they went up, this one
Already there.
already there, fill one full one sack,
Yeah.
another one half. Sangkay tahu tu kini karua. When he reached there, hey,
What
The
do you
old
think?
man. Dauna.
are you trespassing? This is not your farm.
Iya.
First of all, who told you to come and pulling from here?
Iya.
This is not your farm. I'm talking about this. You not the one to come here and pull
Yeah.
this. You the one should come and help me.
Iya.
You may be
Dina
the
sir.
one pulling here last week too, eh?
See, I put the board here. The
Yeah.
board. I put the board here. Don't pull this one.
Iya.
You come, you pull, you shift the board in front. I don't know
Right,
what's wrong
right.
with you. We are relatable.
Yeah.
Kendor kani.
Right.
And why you do this to me?
Right.
Yeah.
See, we are relationship.
Right.
You have to come here.
Right.
You should
Say,
love me.
Yeah,
You
love
like my
me.
relationship.
If you love me, you'll begging me.
Right.
Dina
You're
sir.
gonna make kere.
Iya.
Go. No.
Iya.
You can't beg me, you knock me.
Knock me me koso. From there, the fella was asking like this. Hey,
Yeah.
are you
Dauna asking the
Iya.
Thorbu.
why are you doing this? Boss teko sa rabinaka.
Iya. Dina sir.
You laziness.
Iya.
See your muscle arts.
Iya.
Your body is grow bigger.
Karate.
Hindi ko na yung muna kinambuli tayo ito mataw na pamasela.
Yeah.
And you can't even
Yeah.
plant your own food.
Right.
Dina.
You was there at the meeting, villages meeting.
Right.
You reach again?
Iya.
I thought you have a farm.
Right.
To coming from.
Yeah.
No. You come here, people are only wondering, where will you bring this?
Yeah.
How can a people survive
Right.
on stealing cassava?
Right.
Dina sir.
Meron lang mula tuwa na muna nakakanda ni ko may buta ka ito nakakanan ko.
Yeah.
Siya kanito
Keep it up, keep it up.
Bosa tayo kosar nga baka binak.
Yeah.
Bosa tayo kosar nga binak sa kilasar nga tukay. That this fella, it's okay. Saru siya
Don't
binak.
choro-choro.
Okay. Because of the songo.
Yeah. Funeral.
Because of you I suffer.
Because of you suffer lagi dube. See?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you already pull,
Yeah.
take it.
Yeah.
But end this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want you to do this again to anyone or me.
This-
Right.
Make sure this is the last time.
This is the last time.
Right.
Next
Next
time,
time kerkere.
kerkere.
Iya. Dina.
If you not kerkere,
Yeah.
you'll end up to songo-songo.
Right.
Wala
Right.
lebes.
Iya.
Right.
Dina.
Come.
Take
Take that cassava. Sinibera nga mo yun angas. No, I don't want to take this cassava.
Yeah.
Berarti na lama. Angkay bos mabi to ka.
Yeah.
Asal mematay kena tin mong kaya kamong ko.
Right.
Mas dus talo ko bito kin tabioka.
Yeah.
Oh, tunggu tembok bos ko. Matay kena cembero ka. Usah sesar biya ka utana tabi ko ngori.
Iya.
Tuno ka boleh tala ba?
Iya.
Senga.
Yeah.
Tabi ko bos tak. Why you don't want to take this tapioca?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to take this tapioca at home.
Yeah, why?
Because this tapioca is paragraphing. Hey, everybody who punches celebrating 90 years.
This tabioka is bad mouthing.
Yeah, bad mouthing. If you want to bad mouthing, put into the bad mouther.
Kono alikilis. Don't choro.
Ketna. Jay that timbi when the villages also to the Matua Taxi brothers.
That's my boss.
Yeah,
That's my
walking
boss.
this morning to
Yeah.
one Batatu.
Yeah.
Who taurisar mai na yun baturang amin bau.
Right. I can't lie to him. That's my boss.
Iya lasu.
Right. If not kerkere, you will song. Kolim bilang mula benak. Ina bale besar, ina bale na sar cikumai and mataka benak ini. Mel na bale fully laughing
Julung.
John Kumar, thank you so
I
much.
saw your photo last Saturday.
Whose?
John Kumar.
You keep the photo.
No, the photo was there. Was sending from us to this morning.
Oh yeah.
You was there at
Meliki, eh?
Yeah, Meliki.
And ano na John?
Basilio ang bula ka baka tuturangane wasuni wailala.
Yeah.
Everybody Asberg. Boy, ayaw.
Anda benak.
Stillman Magasti.
Right.
Bula ka to everyone this morning.
Right.
You know, everybody now we have to look at our health.
Yeah.
Tara binaka to nito pag niyangon tanon tambulak tumandang ko lay check.
Jin.
Gor no mumbula nandoon ka na binibini wekanda.
Iyo.
Era may takaliti ko na bakingon ni.
Di na sir?
Nangonong ko. Ndang karon non tambulan da check nda kipaka nda ngunyang ko na kana kinangauna. Tanggal ka ba?
Oh, sa kerker man nga ko dem small check. But the chubi ko na mildew.
Mildew ko rin na manray magawa.
Nanti. Mildew but na happiness.
Iyo. Stage 2 o Temo family
Yeah.
do bola binaka isa. Kerker ndo wanra may tubiti.
TVT. Oh, wanda benak TVT. Wanda cika ko tiburura.
Rai, rausota.
Yeah.
Iyo.
Ka TVT wanda cika no tiburura be TVT.
John Sandro besi kakaramu.
Bola benak.
Ana rekase Josefa Tawanga doyanra. Wow.
Bad mouth, kasaba.
Mouth to mouth.
Mouth na engineer.
Kichione nandaro mela lindi do bola bila kaisa. Lolo makina masu may serne.
Yeah.
Nabu.
Paulini Morris
Isa bola benak.
di pau yan rabinaka vila melakia na bali usar sa bola mata tu ni moniting ko se ka lima ni me.
Dina.
Tos totol nangau na sar serik tal nangau ne mata ni waso sini buli sadaba.
Yeah.
Wana mata ne keni karua. Koni ni bida tatulong na mati mi high school kena mainganga na anda 19. Wana mati ni mba pro.
Yeah. Tinay 20 bola benak.
Italy. Dongo sem tu ma Italy. Tapa bola ba Italy?
Italy.
Iya.
Hola.
Hola.
Atang.
Siang.
Ay.
Hola to my Panama.
Iya.
Hola, may Brazil hola.
Brazil hola.
Yeah.
Alright.
Pagani ni bilaka. Kito me kito sada na
Dono.
punja celebrating 90 years.
Iya.
Na solo nang dimbom yung bulare.
Hey, andre.
Apa ni
Lo
bilaka?
mo ane.
Iya. Na ito ka rin doon yung grabe.
Hey, kurumundo ko.
Mika ang kalong bola.